Hey all, in today's video I'm going to show you a nail art where I'm using only one color to create my nail art design, though it will give a dynamic look to your nail. As usual, I'm using a base coat to start off with my nail art design, which will protect my natural nails from staining. So this is a very important step. I'm using Lakme Absolute Gel Stylish Nail Color. I'm going to give you the link in the description box below. This is my favorite color as it has got a very nice look to it. And I think you must buy this color. So I'm applying it over the base coat and I'm going to use 2 coats of this nail color. So now I'm using this Scotch tape to create this nail art design, and I think this is easily available at everyone's house. I'll just cut it in a small piece and then I have to apply it over my nail. But before that, this is a very important step where I'm just trying to remove all stickiness from it so that it will not ruin my nail polish. Here I am placing the Scotch tape over my nail by covering around half of my nail diagonally, and you don't have to stick it very much, you just need to keep it as a guideline. And now I am using this Nika Matte Power top coat. Apply the matte top coat and just remove that tape as soon as possible. And then repeat this process for all your nails. Let the matte top coat dry properly and see how you have created the magic out of single color by using the matte top coat. And just trust me, this looks very beautiful than how it looks on the camera right now. If you like this design, then hit like, and I create content related to nails, nail art, nail polish and all about nails. If you're interested in that kind of content, then you can surely consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Bye.